Warning, this content is not for kids. If you're a kid, fuck off.
Many people think that my nickname Soups is because of my obsession with Superman. It's not. It's because I actually am Superman and I'm going to prove it. I've already used my X-ray vision to see what's in here. One of those minifigures. And I'm telling you right now, it's Superman. It's fucking Superman that's in there. Watch and learn. Oh, there's a red cape. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh. Is that a Superman? Oh my god, it's a Superman. How did I know it was Superman? I must have X-ray vision. Get in there. Oh, he's got two faces. Red, angry eyes. That's the one I want. Is it Cape Wonder, Stun City. Faster than a speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive. Told you it was Superman. Okay, Grandad, what time is it?
Time now for some blatant publicity seeking. Cheers.
You goddamn right. But it's also time I'm about to make a start on this impossible puzzle. I'm not going to fucking lie to you. There's a handful of characters in here that I do not know because I'm not a Marvel guy. I'm a DC guy. But then there's probably a handful of DC characters that I've never heard of either. Anyway, let's make a fucking start. Oh, actually, wait a minute. First things first. My timer ready. Because I'm clearly not going to do all this in one go. I'm going to do wee bits at a time now that I've got a wee board that I could move it about on. And I'm going to time how long it takes each session. And we'll see how long it actually takes me, the most cleverest guy in the world, to do this 1,000 piece jigsaw. Right, you'll probably get the audio muted because I've got copyright material going on in the background. I don't know why it's in two different bags. Fucking 1,000 pieces. I'm ready to give up already, man. I'm not even sitting yet. I'm going to start with this wee bag. And I'm going to be honest and say I have no idea who that character is. The blue guy that looks like a Zulu warrior type fucking Maori type thing. The blue warrior looking good. I don't know who he is. Who is he, Frank? It's probably before this point in the video where Frank Noble's actually ripped his shit out of me for not knowing who all the characters are. Such a perfect day! He's that boy. This says it's an impossible puzzle, eh? Fucking impossible. My first 3 bits. Too easy, mate. Fucking too easy. Impossible puzzle.
A different question.
I've had harder shites. I've had harder shites. Remind me to ask Grandad if he actually sorted this suit. But he did, he just gave up like that. Fuck this 1,000 pieces, I'm going to send this to Frankie. Let's add a bit to the bag. This bit is... Shut up. It's me, I'm speaking to the YouTubes. 55 minutes it's taken to do that. I'm going to have a break right now. This is the very centrepiece, right? Well, just off centre. But we're going to stop that. Look, stop. And I'm going to write that fucking number down. Probably charge my phone and my camera now because it's been fucking ages. For tonight's tea, it's 2 cups of chicken, 2 cups of vegetables, 1/3 of a cup of butter, and 1/3 of a cup of onions, and some salt and pepper, teaspoon each.
a third a cup of flour, half a cup of milk, and 14 ounces of chicken stock. And puff pastry. Cue the music. It's pies. It's chicken pies. But you never guessed that there. I don't know what's wrong with you. Crunchy, crunchy, crunch, crunch, crunchy, crunchy, crunch.
This is day number 473. I still have a couple of hundred pieces left. I haven't left the house for over 6 months now. I've lost 20 stone in weight. I'm not allowed to leave until this is done. Wait, Grandad. 999 pieces, because that's the bit that's missing. But apart from that, job fucking done, I'd say. It took a few sittings. That's how long it took. A few sittings. Impossible puzzle. And that's the reason why. Will you bloody stop tap dancing? Every time I hit record, you start tap dancing. Woe is me. I'm so sleepy. Are you sleepy? I don't fancy that chicken flavoured ice cream very much though.